Jump ball. First ball position. Also Tibanban, Chavez. Pass to Hernandez. Shot clock is winding down. 15 to shoot to Oliverio. Back to Hernandez. Keeper sa poste. No good. Rebound goes to Sabandon. And it's a traveling violation. It's a turnover. Tibanban basketball. Pijing Nonong. Oliverio. Pass to Probo against Sabandon. Using the screen. Pass inside to Chavez. Turnover. Mau Taksan. Pass to Dudong Sabandon. 15 to shoot. Back to Mau. Pian. Oh, no good. Rebound by Chavez. Pass to Hernandez. Crossing over. Deflected. Agaw ni Pialago. To Pialago. Masyadong malakas ang pasa. Turnover. Pijing Nonong. Pansit. Oliverio. Pass to Probo. Harap na kabasahan. Deflected pa mga Taksan. Diretso. Against Eurostep. Ang gandang moves para Mr. Mau Taksan. Oliverio. Harap na kabasahan sa Oliverio. 15 seconds shot clock. 15 to shoot. Probo. Way outside. Bam! Rebounds. Probo. Mau Taksan. Pass to Pialago. Layup 2 points. Pialago. Hernandez. Pass to Oliverio. Back to Hernandez. To Probo. Hanap na kabasahan. Shot clock is winding down. 15. Hernandez. Pass inside. Chavez. 10 to shoot. Diretso. But there's a hard foul. Jersey number 15 and 6. Pialago. Foul. First personal foul on Pialago. 1 point on Chavez. Pijing Nonong. Preferred jumper. Connect. 2 points all para Mr. Chavez. Taksan. Ito sa Bandon. To Pialago. Up and under, no good. Deflected by sa Bandon. And bola sa Tibanban. Oliverio, pass to Hernandez, way outside, no good, rebound by Pialago. Pass to Taksan, ganito Hernandez. But last touch ni Mr. Taksan. Oliverio, diretso, pass to Hernandez, put me back to Romeo, pero under by Mr. Taksan, interception against Keber. Eurostep, 2 points. Taksan. Score 5-6 ITC. 15 seconds shot clock, 15 to shoot. Probo na naman. 10 to shoot. Paso Hernandez, diretso. Nakabuhay ang bola. No good. That's a simple. Keber, 2 points. Keber. Pijing Nonong.